With summer airfares already climbing fast, airline executives have not been shy in telling travelers that prices are only going to get steeper as we head into spring and summer. Last week, Delta CEO Ed Bastian told the Financial Times that higher fuel costs would no question lead to fare hikes, and that the airline would add a fuel surcharge to international flights as market conditions permit. Meanwhile, at a JP Morgan investor conference, Delta President Glenn Howatz, "As fuel prices fluctuate rapidly here, we need to recapture somewhere between $15 and $20 each way on a ticket. Translation, expect a $30, $40 hike on a round-trip ticket this summer. But don't buy the line that higher airfares are entirely due to jet fuel prices," say airfare experts. First, a big portion of the price increases can be chalked up to typical seasonal fluctuations and surging demand. "It's normal for airfares to rise 7% to 8% from January to March," says Adit Damodaran, economist at Hopper, the airfare deal finding site. "But domestic airfares are up 36% since the start of the year," he says. That's due in part to jet fuel costs, but there are all these other factors, too. That huge increase in February I think was primarily driven by demand recovery." Damodaran correctly points out that the number of passengers screened by Transportation Security Administration officers at airport checkpoints, known as TSA throughput, has risen to 85% to 90% of 2019 levels, a fur. Then there's the pilot shortage. At the beginning of the pandemic, the airlines were worried about their entire future. And so they virtually stopped hiring, stopped training and stopped preparing for a future where they would need more pilots, explains Scott Keyes, co-founder of Scott's Cheap Flights, an email subscription service for flight deals. Then travel rebounded far faster than many analysts predicted, and airlines were caught a bit flat-footed, where they didn't have the number of pilots available to meet that booming demand. Of course, blaming soaring airfares on fuel prices is better PR. Airlines can be a little bit disingenuous, thinking it's an easier excuse to say we have to hike prices because of high fuel costs, says Keyes. Customers sort of understand and accept the narrative,